Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. This device is packed with some impressive features that are sure to grab your attention. First off, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is equipped with an octa-core processor clocked at 3.2 GHz, coupled with a quad-core and tri-core for added power. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, ensuring smooth and efficient processing power for all your tasks. Next up, the display. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro boasts a massive 12.4-inch screen with a high pixel density of 295 ppi and an IPS LCD technology for vibrant colors and clear visuals. Its 140 Hz refresh rate means smoother scrolling and faster response times, perfect for gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. When it comes to cameras, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro delivers with its dual primary cameras featuring a 50MP lens and a 2MP lens, along with an LED flash for low-light photography. Up front, you'll find a powerful selfie camera equipped with a 32MP lens that captures stunning images perfect for social media or personal use. Finally, let's talk about the battery life. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro boasts a whopping 10,000 mAh battery that supports quick charging via USB Type-C port. So there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is shaping up to be an impressive device that offers excellent performance and features at an affordable price point. Keep an eye out for this one if you're in the market for a new tablet. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, happy tech hunting!